Now, what about Social Security and Medicare taxes? Well, my friends, we don't pay those either, ever. Why? Because those are ignorance taxes. See, what do I mean by ignorance taxes? You have to be ignorant enough to have a job to pay ignorance taxes. Social Security and Medicare are a tax that was derived by the U.S. government because it realized that people were ignorant enough to believe that they could work the rest of their life and ignorant enough to believe that they were going to have health insurance the rest of their life, not realizing that someday along the way, like with everybody, as you get older, there are people out there that are younger, they are better educated, they're more motivated, and they'll work for less money, and they're going to take your job. And when that happens, and when you're pushed out of your job at some elderly age, you're going to realize for the first time that you have no passive streams of income, and you're going to be in trouble. You're also going to find out that your insurance policy is going to go away, and that's going to be a problem, because now it's hard for you to get insurance as an older person, especially unemployed. So my friends, let alone the thought of paying for it. So my friends, they created something called ignorance taxes, which is this social safety net for people to fall on when they become old and unable to work and unable to obtain insurance. We call this Social Security and Medicare. Now, why do they not tax real estate investors? Because they realize that if you're smart enough to figure out how to make passive streams of income that you don't have to work for, that you'll never lose a job that you don't have. And that the income you earn is going to continue to come whether or not you're old or young, and so you're going to be able to afford to buy health insurance and not have to cancel your health insurance policy when you lose your job. So because of that, right out of the blocks, real estate investors are saving all Social Security and Medicare taxes. How much is that? That's 15.2%. Now, if you went out there and you think about this, you went out and you started yourself a little business, and that little business produced for you $100,000 a year, net, that's what you got to take. You would have to pay 15.2% or $15,200 out of that $100,000 gain just for Social Security and Medicare. In addition to that, you'd have to pay an earned income taxes that marginally by $100,000 would be at least 33%. So you're paying 48.2% in personal income taxes on a $100,000 gain. Now, does it make sense to you that if you would only end up with $52,000, that all I have to earn is $52,000 to make the same thing you do? Think about it.